As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse, this is the lighthouse, which is 75 meters. From the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 and 45. So, this is the sea level. This is one ship, this is the other ship. The angle of depression of two ships are 30 and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. So, let BC be X and AB be Y. In triangle BCD, tan 45. Tan 45 is opposite by adjacent. This is opposite. 75 by this is adjacent. DC by BC. Tan 45 is 1. So X is equal to 75 meters. Now in triangle ACD, tan 30 is equal to CD opposite by the adjacent side AC. CD is 75, AC is X plus Y. X we got here, which is 75 meter. So 75 by 75 plus Y. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now cross multiply this. You will get 75 plus Y is equal to 75 root 3. Y is equal to, take 75 to other side, so minus 75. Take Y 75 as common, so root 3 minus 1. Root 3 value is 1.73. So apply the root 3 value here. 1.73 minus 1. 1.73 minus 1 is 0.73. 0.73 into 75 is 54.75 meters. So Y we got as 54.75 meter, and this is the distance between the two ships.